Free beer? What? Give it to me! In this video, I'm gonna tell you 3 things you could start doing right now to start getting free beer. That's right, 3 simple things. Let's get it. First thing you could start doing is borrowing money. Getting a credit card. You're probably like, what? Credit card? What does that got to do with getting free beer? I don't need this. Let me explain. If you live in the United States of the Americas, credit is crucial on getting ahead in life. Here's a scenario. Let's say you want to get a place of your own because you want to be able to crack open a beer without one of your parents telling you, "Ya vas a empezar a tomar? Son las 8 de la mañana." You go check out a studio and it's $1,700 a month. I know, around LA. You fill out an application for the studio rental and you get denied because you have no credit history or shitty credit. You're probably like, Tiki, what does this have to do with free beer? Like, get to the point. 2 words: cash back. Here are some credit cards you can apply for today so you can start earning cash back for free beer. If you have no credit history or your credit isn't great, you could still get cash back. Discover has a secured credit card that's basically a trial run to see if you're responsible with money and payments. A secured credit card, when approved, is pretty much using your money as collateral. You could deposit a minimum of $200 or a maximum of $2,500, and that'll be your credit limit. After 6 to 8 months of using this secured credit card with small purchases here and there, they give you back your initial deposit, which was, let's say, the minimum of $200. They give you that back, and then you're able to actually borrow money from the bank instead of using your own. This credit card gives you 2% cash back at restaurants and gas stations, and gives you 1% cash back with everything else. Cash back on all your chili cheese fries, cash back on all the gas you waste to go to your ex-girlfriend's house, and cash back for everything else pretty much.
But Tiki, credit cards charge you interest for using them, don't you know?
Not if you pay them back before the 25-day billing cycle every month. Another credit card you could apply to is Citibank's Double Cash Card. This card, I pretty much use it for everything, just because when you use it, you get 1% cash back with the transaction, and when you pay it back, you get another 1%. So a total of 2% cash back for my monthly expenses. This credit card also doesn't charge you an annual fee, which if you're gonna pick a credit card, make sure it doesn't have an annual fee because it's gonna charge you annually, and you're looking for the ones that don't charge you anything annually. Last card I recommend you apply for is probably my favorite one, Chase Bank's Freedom Flex card. This credit card gives you more offers, which means gives you more cash back for, you guessed it, free beer. This one gives you 5% cash back through Chase Travel for hotels, flights, car rentals, and activities. 3% on dining at restaurants. This includes fast food restaurants like Jack in the Box, McDonald's, everything. Even if you go through a drive-thru, you don't have to eat there. Use this card and you get 3% cash back. 3% cash back at drugstores like CVS and Walgreens. And 1% cash back on everything else. Also, you get a $200 bonus when you open up this account and you spend $500 in 3 months. You're probably thinking, wow, I have to spend $500 just so I can get $200? That doesn't make any sense. Real simple. You move all your recurring payments, all your monthly expenses onto this new card, like your phone bill, gym, car insurance, health insurance, Apple Music, everything. Just use it like a debit card and pay it back after like a week after it posts, and you're on your way on getting cash back, free money, and free money means free beer. I'll leave the links to these credit cards down below in the description so you can start applying today. Another thing you can start doing to getting free beer is recycling. Let it run! All the beer cans you drink, all the water bottles, all the beer bottles, you gather them up, let's say like in a month, or when you have a bunch of them, you take them to the nearest recycling place, you cash them in, and guess what? You're recycling and getting free money for free beer. Oh, everything's so simple, right? And if you don't have a car, have a buddy help you out. He'll help you out, and you'll take the recyclables to the recycling place. you cash out, and you go buy a 12-pack, and you go hang out and drink some beers, right? Right? Free beer. Last but not least, the last thing you can start doing to getting free beer is being nice. Just be kind to people. Be courteous to people. Okay. Here's a scenario. Like 2 weeks ago, I rented a cabin up in Big Bear, and there was a dive bar like 2 blocks away. Went in with my girlfriend, had a beer and a shot, as I always do when I enter a bar, because that's just the thing I like to do. I order a beer and a shot, usually like a craft beer, and then like a Jameson shot. Just that's my thing. I do that. See where the night goes. We're at the bar, and this guy's trying to order a beer. And for the longest, the bartender was just, clean, doing her own thing. Then she asked me like, hey, you guys good? You guys need anything? And I'm like, no, yeah, I'm good. But this guy over here, he needs a drink. He's been waiting. So she ended up helping him, and me and the guy, we just exchanged some words, And I complimented his tattoos, whatever. He grabbed his drinks. He was on his way. He's like, oh, by the way, get these 2 a beer, put it on my tab. And I'm just like, I was like, fuck yeah, what the hell, like free beer. He just got us around, me and my girlfriend, 2 beers. And I was like halfway on my beer because I drink pretty fast, and my girlfriend's was like pretty much full, so she had like 2 full beers. And as soon as he said that and they served me up, I downed my beer, and I was just like, man, I was like, I'm gonna add this to the video just because you gotta be courteous, gotta be kind. I exchanged a few words with the guy, complimented his tattoos, and got free beer out of it. Your life will be 10 times better when you're nice. Nobody likes an asshole. So there you have it, folks. The 3 things you can start doing in 2022 to getting free beer. Until next time, guys. Cheers.